Today, I'm going to show you how to make this type of typography design tutorial on Canva. So next, the first thing you want to do is to go to your file and upload your image. After uploading your image, you want to drag it to the design just like this. So I'm just going to flip this image. So next you want to go to apps and type Typecraft. Select this, click on open. First you want to type your text. You want to change the font, so I'm going to change the font. And I'm going to change the color to white, preferably. So here I'm going to drag to edit the shape of the text. And add elements to design. So here I want to make sure that the edges of the text are well aligned to the image. So to achieve this, I might need to drag and then update element. Now I'm going to duplicate this, go to the second page and delete the banana. Now go to element and select shape, drag it just like this, and go to color, select black. Now click on this three dots, go to layer and send backward. So now I'm going to download this, select the page 2 only and click on done. Then we can download. So now I'm going to drag what I just downloaded to my upload. And go back to page 1. Delete the text. Now drag the downloaded image on the design. Go to edit picture, remove background, go to tilt, select cherry and change both the highlight and shadow color to white. Now crop the image on both sides. Go to element, type shadow, go to graphics, select the shadow and place it under the banana. So here is the final result. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, like and share, and subscribe for more videos like this.